On the Dorset coast in the 1950s, paddle steamers ran a ferry service between Bournemouth and Swanage, and between Weymouth and Lulworth. The steamers belonged to the Cousins Line, which was based in Weymouth. With 2 or more departures on sailing days, you could have a day trip and come back in the afternoon. There is no quay at Lulworth Cove, so the steamer would have to closely approach the beach, and then wheeled stages and planks would be deployed to form a passenger gangway. It was steep, precarious, but exciting to use, and it was a relief when disembarking to get off the stage and onto the terra firma of Lulworth's shingle beach. Or when embarking for a day out in Weymouth, reaching the steamer's deck felt like the beginning of a much-anticipated adventure. It's an unforgettable experience to leave the shelter and enclosure of the cove and sail out into the open sea. The steamers departed by reversing quite some way out of the cove before heading west towards Weymouth. With the beach and moored fishing boats now looking far away, the outer face of the cove's mouth and stair hole, previously only viewed from the cliff tops, are revealed from a totally new sea level point of view. In fact, the entire route to Weymouth, passing Oswald's Bay, Durdle Door, Bat's Hole and White Noth, is one of the most scenic sections of Dorset's Jurassic coast. Down below in the engine room, massive gleaming pistons drive the paddles around with a satisfying hiss and throb. As a kid, I was ready for the attractions of Weymouth by the time we docked. Weymouth Pier Amusement Arcade had penny machines and a haunted house animatron. And after that, there was the beach with its sand sculpture, Punch and Judy, and Candy Floss. Returning to Lulworth, the calm water of the cove and the slowing of the steamer's engines provided a welcome respite from the noise and excitement of the open sea. In the 1950s, the holiday crowds had departed by 6 o'clock. So, disembarking, I can remember enjoying the peace and quiet sounds of the cove in the late afternoon. Landings at the cove by paddle steamer ended in the early 1960s, and the last steamer on the Weymouth to Lulworth route, Consul, ended her days in 1968 in a shipbreaker's yard at Southampton.